Well, hello there. So a while back, when I first started my channel, I made a video how I work out with my Gold's Gym home gym, and it was just meant to be kind of a fun, joking around video. But this time I'm actually going to show you my Gold's Gym home gym that I purchased probably 10 months ago off of Amazon. I think it was like $2.99 or $3.99. I can't remember now. But it is the XR55, and I was just going to show you around it real quick here. It did come disassembled, so I had to assemble it myself, which was kind of a workout in its own. But yeah, you can do quite a bit of stuff on it. So obviously many of you pretty much know how a chest press or bench press works, but I'll just do a couple reps here. Yeah, the machine works pretty smooth. It makes some noise. It's not terrible. You can live with it, but if you lube up the cables and the pulleys, you know, every once in a while, it stays pretty quiet. So next thing you can do is, I believe this is called a lateral pull down. And you can either go in front of your head, like this, or you can go behind the head. And of course, you can do legs. And before I forget, I'll show you guys the butterfly. Pretty simple. Just pull these pins out. And it's ready to rock. So then when you're done, pop the pin back in. Sometimes they're a little tricky to line up. There we go. And I'll show you guys how simple it is to pop this guy in. All right, and just tighten it down. And what you can either do is, I've got already some dumbbells here, which is usually what I use for curls, but you can also use the row handle and do your arm curls one at a time with that. Another thing I personally like to do with this machine is standing up and doing pull downs with the lateral bar there. You kind of feel it on your triceps. So Just grab the bar about like this. Anyways, guys, I hope that this video was somewhat helpful to you. Again, this is the Gold's Gym XR55 home gym. You can get it on Amazon. That's where I got it from. And yeah, if you're not subscribed to my channel, if you subscribe, it'd be much appreciated. Click the thumbs up button, especially if this video was helpful to you. And comment down below if you'd like. Alright guys, well, take care. Oh, and just one more thing, actually. There are several separate attachments you can get for this machine. So that is kind of nice. I think you can get like a 3-piece or 5-piece package. Comes with different bars for this and for the sit-down row. Different attachments. Just so you can do even more with this machine. So it actually does quite a bit for what it is and how much it costs. I would definitely recommend it to anybody.